Hello my lovely family, welcome back. It's Cook with Regina and I'm back with another authentic Ghanaian homemade local recipe which is my favorite, garden eggs abomu, making it through these easy steps that makes it easy for everyone to make at home. Don't skip this video, let's do this together. Now, these are the simple ingredients needed to keep us going. They are garden eggs, onions, habanero pepper, chili pepper, groundnut, avocado pear, eggs, salt, salted tilapia fish or koobi, Amani or dried fish, Momoni, red oil, Cocoyam or Brobbey. Our ingredients are freshly prepped and ready for the process. Let's do this. We pour the charcoal into the coal pot to light up the fire and begin to peel the cocoyam or Brobbey. Put the pot onto the fire, pour water into it and cover to boil. Thank you so much for always showing us love. We really appreciate and we don't take your coming here for granted. God bless you. If you are new here, we welcome you to join the family by subscribing, like, share and leave your comments for a warm shout out. Pour water onto the cocoyam, wash it and put it into the pot on fire. Wash the garden eggs, slice into two and add to the cocoyam on fire. Add the eggs, add salt and cover with plantain leaves and a lid to cook. We wash the habanero pepper into the earthenware bowl, slice onions onto it and begin to grind. Don't forget to like, share and leave your comments for a warm shout out. We love you all, baby. Much love to you. We add the groundnuts and continue to grind. We wash and remove the fins and rays out from our koobi and continue with the grinding. We check the boiling food and take out the garden eggs into the earthenware. Take out the eggs, take the food off the fire and strain the water out from it and continue to grind the boiled garden eggs together with the pepper and groundnut. We toast the Amani on the coal pot fire a little bit and take it off the fire. Put a pot on fire, add water and put the koobi or salted fish into it to cook and take out the excessive salt out from it. Someone may ask, why the excessive salt on the fish? It's used to preserve the fish from going bad. Take the boiled koobi out from the fire, put a pot on the fire and pour the oil into the pot. Put the momoni into the oil to melt and slice onions into it. Stir the oil to allow the momoni to melt completely. Take the oil off the fire, pour onto the grinded ingredients and stir together. We put the chili pepper into the earthenware bowl, add onions and salt and grind together. Someone may ask, why grinding the fresh pepper? It's going to be used for the garnishing of akosiani meko. We add the eggs to our garden eggs Abomu. Add the koobi and slice the avocado pear onto it. Add slice of onions and serve the cocoyam. Voila! Our garden eggs abomu with cocoyam is ready for consumption. We pray and begin to enjoy.
God is the farmer, the cook, the eater, and you watching us.
If today happens to be the first time you are joining us here on this channel, kindly subscribe to become part of this family. Like, share, and leave your comments for more. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for always coming to watch us cook. Keep supporting us. God bless you. Join us as we consume this authentic Ghanaian local recipe together. Tell us where you are watching us from for a warm shout out. God bless the farmer, the cook, the eater, and you watching us. See you in our next video. It's Cook with Regina.